Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this week's video, we are going to learn about X-ray diffraction on the topic of determination of order of diffraction. In an XRD experiment, a diffraction peak is observed at 2 theta equivalent to 60 degrees for a material with interplanar spacing of 2.5 Armstrong using X-ray with a wavelength of 1.4 Armstrong. Determine the order of diffraction for this peak. For this question, the first and foremost that we need to do is look at the unit. So the wavelength is in Armstrong and the interplanar spacing is also in Armstrong. So we don't need to change the unit for the wavelength into meter. So 2 theta is given to you. So 2 theta is equivalent to 60 degrees. Therefore, theta is equivalent to 60 divided by 2, which is equivalent to 30. Alright, so now we are going to use the Bragg's law, n, which is the order of diffraction, times the wavelength is equivalent to 2 interplanar spacing sine theta. Alright, so n is the one that you're going to calculate, and your wavelength is 1.54 Armstrong. To D, so your D is 2.5 Armstrong sine 30. Alright, so we're just going to rearrange this. So it's going to be 2.5 Armstrong sine 30 divided by 1.54 Armstrong. So this one you can slash. So you will end up having 5 times 0.5 divided by 1.54, which is equivalent to 1.6234. This is the final answer for this question. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.